Hello, my name is Sandy Vasquez, and this topic is a timeline of my past habits with the teacher Christopher Capellan. Okay, in this year, the 2008, as a child, I used to play with cards. Now not because I don't like it. And this year, 2008, the same year, before I used to get up late. Now I can't because of the responsibility. 2009, before I used to watch a lot of television, now not because I don't like it. And this year, 2010, before I used to play in the street, now I don't like it because it's this dangerous. And this year, 2010, I used to attend church often now. I don't do it that often. And this year, 2012, I used to paint, but not now because I lost interest. And this year, the same, 2012, as a child, I used to run a lot. Now my body cannot. And this year, 2013, before I used to move a lot, now not because I have my own house. Thank you.